Hello everyone, I am Akshay from Srinivas Institute of Technology, Valachil, Mangaluru. My idea is biometric payment system. First we come to the part of introduction. Biometric payment system revolutionizes transaction security and convenience. Unique physical or behavioral traits are used for authentication. From fingerprints or facial recognition, biometric provides unparalleled security. These methods streamline payment process, eliminating the needs of passwords or physical cards. In this presentation, we will see the advantage of biometric payment and potential to redefine the future of transaction. Advantage of biometric payments. Enhanced security. Biometric data is highly unique and difficult to forge, reducing the fraud risk significantly. Convenience. User no longer need to remember the password or carry physical cards, making transactions smooth and more efficient. Frictionless experience. Biometric authentication speed up the payment process, enhancing overall user experience. Authentication accuracy. Biometric methods offer a high-level accuracy compared to traditional authentication method. Continuous authentication. Some biometric system offers a continuous monitoring, adding extra layer of security. This is my exact prototype. Next we come to the part of conclusion. Enhanced transaction landscape. Biometric payment system marks a significant step towards a more security convenient transaction landscape. Empowering users. By utilizing our unique physiological traits, biometric payments empower users with a highly personalized and secure experience. Advancing the industry. As biometric technology continues to advance, it holds the potential to redefine how we authenticate, transact, and interact the digital world. Thank you.